Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, yes, it's review o'clock. I decided to upgrade my skincare routine some months back, and I went on Amazon to shop for these popular skincare products that I've heard so much about, the good molecule products. So I got some of their popular products that I know can nourish my skin, because I've heard so much about this product, guys. So I'll be giving my unbiased opinion, because like I said, I've been using these products now for almost 2 months, and in today's video I'll be sharing my unbiased opinion. Like they say, looking good is a good business. So if you are looking for products to get before you decide whether you want to buy these products or not, to find out maybe these products really work or they're just making mouth about it. And as I talk about these products, guys, I'll be showing you what my skin look like before I get these products, and what I've noticed, and what my skin look like currently now. Like I said, you guys will be the judge of that. Okay, so without much delay, guys, let's jump right into today's video. So the first product I will be talking about in today's video is their NMind Brightening Toner. Guys, this particular toner contains abutin, licorice root extract, and of course niacinamide. And this is a toner, guys. If you can see, if you can see what is written on it, guys. The first thing I noticed about this product is, oh my god, it's so small. Like, I will be writing the price that I got it on Amazon somewhere here, but what I heard is that it's affordable when you get it directly from the website. I think by the next time I will be shopping this products, I'll be buying this from their website. This toner helps to reduce the appearance of large pores. If your skin is something like this and you are looking for something, to minimize, your pores, to reduce your pores, to make your skin look plump, looking radiant, this is very good. I've said countless times on this channel that I'm in the process of fading the scars of my dark spots, and one thing I've noticed is that this polar toner helps very much to minimize the appearance of dark spots, appearance of hyperpigmentation, and it does help to brighten this face. Now, one thing is, this is not the kind of products that you will use after a week, that you will get like maybe 2 shades, 3 shades. No, these are kind of products that it takes time for you to see the work, because it takes patience, guys. It takes time for you to notice the differences because of the kind of ingredients that are listed in these products. These are the kind of products that you use that if you know that you want to invest in your skin. Because one thing about this product is that, like I said, you might not see the immediate effect, but as time progresses, as you continue to use this toner, you will be seeing the differences in your skin texture, and your skin will look radiant. And the application is very easy, guys. After you bathe, just dab it in your clean palm and just allow it to sit, just kind of massage it on your skin and just allow it to dry before you go ahead with your moisturizer. What we'll be talking about in today's video is their hyaluronic acid serum, guys. If you watch like a couple of my video, guys, these are the ingredients that I used to talk about, because like I said, these are the kind of ingredients that over the years you will see the results in your skin. You will see the results because hyaluronic acid helps to hydrate the skin, thereby making your skin looking plump and radiant. This is very good because now the weather is getting harsh. Winter will soon be here. If you are looking for something to to still keep your skin very hydrated, looking radiant, irrespective of the weather condition, this particular serum will do it for you, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. I'm almost running out, but like I said, the next time I'll be getting it from the website, because it's so tiny. Like, the sizes of the bottle, that's my concern. But aside that, honestly, guys, I will rate this particular one 8/10, and the first one I will rate it 8.5/10. Guys, the reason why I'm not giving them 10/10, like I said, it's because of the size. The bottle is so small compared to the price that I got it from Amazon. What we'll be talking about in today's video is the overnight exfoliating treatment, guys. This is an exfoliant, as you can tell. It helps to deeply exfoliate the skin, get rid of dead skin. It helps to renew the skin, guys. And it contains BHA, it contains AHA. These are ingredients that are very good in renewing your skin, making your skin looking young, youthful, and making your skin to glow. This particular one is like you can use it during the night before going to bed, just like the other one that I've said. You just kind of, just put like a few drop all over your face, and you kind of allow it to sit. This is before you apply this, before you apply any moisturizer or any oil or any serum at all on your face, because apparently, like I said, it's an exfoliant, so it's the first thing that go in first. But one thing about this particular one is that it is advisable to be used like 3 times in a week, and it's not advisable that you use it with retinol, because it can cause skin irritation. So whenever you are using your retinol, make sure that you stay away from it. One like other one that I've spoken about, my only concern about it is the size. This actually works so well for my skin. I don't know, it actually improved my skin texture. It helped to make my skin soft, improve my skin appearance. If you watch my video to this level, I really appreciate you. Thank you. God bless you. And if you are watching and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do so now. It's free of charge. Okay, the next products that I'll be talking about is their retinol. And one thing I love about this particular retinol is the fact that it is gentle. I've used like different brands of retinol, and I can tell you that this particular one is actually very gentle. It doesn't cause any irritation to my skin. And as you all know, retinol is very good for the skin, as it helps to fade dark spots. It helps to make the skin look firmer. If you have hyperpigmentation, this is a very good ingredient to introduce to your skincare routine, guys. And above all, it contains anti-aging, guys. Now, one thing about retinol, as I've always said, is that it is very advisable that you use it at night. Don't use it without using your sunscreen, just to be on the safer side, because once you are using retinol without using SPF, it's easy for you to have sunburn. So it is very advisable that you use it at night and you use it with your sunscreen, guys. That's a no-brainer. Okay, last and definitely not the least thing I'll be saying on this channel is that the best way you can get like a very radiant and flawless skin is when you are at peace, guys. Forget about it. If you use the most expensive skincare products in the world, but if you are not at peace with yourself, at peace with God, it will be using these things, and it will not be the results will not be showing on your skin. Be at peace with yourself, be at peace with God. Okay, stop beating yourself up for past mistakes. Forgive yourself, move on. I feel like once you are at peace, anything you are using, any skincare products, and this cross across, not just limited to skincare, even the food that you are eating, it will nourish your skin. You will see, because I feel like you will see the results. The results will be obvious. And I pray that the peace of the Lord will continue to abide with each and every one of us. Thank you very much. If you watch my video to this level, I really appreciate you. And once again, I'm so sorry for disappearing on you guys. So guys, if you have any question about this particular product, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will be very happy to hear from you. And all the link to this particular product, I will link it in the description box if you will like to buy it from Amazon. I decided to buy it from Amazon because I felt like because of the reviews, because of the good review that I read about the product, and I kind of, it just give me this kind of safety, because I read through all the reviews and I see the positive feedback. I don't really know, I'm not sure about the website. I don't want to go and get fake products, if you know what I mean. But if you are sure of the website, I'm still making research. Once I'm certain about it, I will definitely bring it back to you and link you guys up. All right, so thank you so much for watching my video to this level. I really appreciate you. All right, bye.